Connect the hydraulic pump to the manifold. Operate the pump to lift and get the weight off the thrust reverser hold-open rods. Disengage the rear hold-open rods from its engine-mounted receptor. Put the rod in its keep position. Disengage the front hold-open rod. Put it in its keep position. Open the pressure relief valve on the pump to close the thrust reverser half. Disconnect the pump from the manifold. Repeat this closure operation for the opposite thrust reverser cowl. Engage and operate the take-up device to pull the two halves of the thrust reverser together. Close the pin latches with the square drive handle. Disengage the take-up device and put it in its keep position. Engage and lock the hook latches. Close the latch access and overpressure relief doors. Make the thrust reverser serviceable by activating the Isolation Control Unit, ICU. Remove the quick release pin from the ICU. Move the inhibit lever to the serviceable position. Put the quick release pin into the ICU to keep the inhibit lever in the serviceable position.